Hi, my name is Emily Turnbull, and this is a review for the website Wounded Warrior Project. So, as you see, the very first thing is red, white, and blue. If you don't know what this website is, it's for any soldiers that have been injured ever while they were in service. It's a way for people to donate. So the colors red, white, and blue, which resembles our flag, is something that I think is unique for this website. I also like the very first top part where it kind of gives like a quote and talking about how this website makes an impact. As a family member who has donated to this, and I also have a family member that has received things from Wounded Warrior Project, I can tell you that this is a very true statement. So when it says by donating and fundraising and spreading the word, also making that in red, so it draws you into this and makes you want to then go to donate. So when you click donate, it also is in the same colors as red, white, and blue. And then it gives you their logo as well, which shows that, here's a soldier that is injured. It also now pulls you into, do you want to just do a one-time gift or making it monthly, which the monthly is in red. So kind of making you want to do it on a more regular basis. It also has the a disabled veteran right here as well. And then if you scroll down, you kind of get like a thank you, which it shows you that. It's super easy when you scroll through these. You just have to give your information. The website's very simple and easy to use. So to go back to the actual homepage, when you scroll through, I like the ability that you can kind of click to see where you would like to go. If you'd like to donate, fundraise, or share about why people should donate to this project. Then again, it gives another quote from someone who actually has received funding from the Wounded Warrior Project. It also kind of gives like a recap of what's been going on at the Wounded Warrior Project, and this is something that's always constantly updated. As you can see, that it was just updated recently. And then at the bottom, it also has links to everything else, which is also a nice feature. It makes it super easy to navigate. You can see that it has a contact us, frequently asked questions. I like that they also put their financials on here. Not many companies do that. It also is easy to chat with people about donating and how you can become even a sponsor or just shopping for their clothing just to help fundraise for this program. It also gives, their address here and how you can connect with the Wounded Warrior Project. So overall, this website has a really nice design. I mean, it's obviously the America's colors, and I like that their logo, it resembles what the project actually stands for.